Family. Today we bring you a super awesome 50 square millimeters battery cable. It is made of high-quality tin-plated copper material with super strong conductivity, which can effectively reduce resistance and minimize power loss, providing stable and strong power support for your equipment. Our connectors are made of thickened tin-plated copper, which has corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, and high conductivity. Our finished product includes two SC70 10.3 mm connectors. You can also choose the finished product, which includes two SC70 8.3 mm connectors. You can also customize non-standard products, one connector M8 8.3 mm and the other connector M10 10.3 mm. Order now!